Apache Tomcat, also known as Tomcat Server, is an open-source web server and servlet container developed by the Apache Software Foundation (ASF). It is designed to serve Java-based web applications and provides an environment in which Java code can run. Tomcat implements several Java Enterprise Edition (Java EE) specifications, including the Java Servlet, Java Server Pages (JSP), and WebSocket APIs. Here are some key features and details of Apache Tomcat. 1. Java Servlet Container. Tomcat provides an environment for executing Java servlets, which are server-side programs that can process client requests and generate dynamic content, such as HTML pages. 2. Java Server Pages (JSP) support. Tomcat supports JSPs, which are server-side Java-based templates that allow developers to embed Java code directly into HTML. JSPs are compiled into servlets and executed by the servlet container. 3. WebSocket API. Tomcat supports the WebSocket API, which allows for real-time, bidirectional communication between web clients and servers over a single, long-lived connection. 4. Lightweight and modular. Tomcat is designed to be lightweight and modular, making it suitable for use in a variety of web application environments, from small-scale projects to large-scale enterprise applications. 5. Flexible configuration. Tomcat provides various configuration options, including XML-based configuration files, which allow developers to customize the server and its components to their needs. 6. Security. Tomcat supports various security features, such as authentication and authorization, SSL/TLS encryption, and integration with Java security frameworks like Java Authentication and Authorization Service, JAS. 7. Integration with other Apache projects. Tomcat can be integrated with other Apache software, such as the Apache HTTP server, to serve as a combined web server and servlet container. 8. Active development and community. Tomcat is actively developed and maintained by the ASF, with a large community of users and contributors who provide support, documentation, and updates. To learn more about Apache Tomcat, visit the official website at https://tomcat.apache.org/https://tomcat.apache.org.